Okay. The silent ones can now talk about. Joe is very quiet today.
Yeah, I've been missing Satyan quite a bit.
Yeah, he was very
All
close to
missing
you.
him.
I can understand. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's hard.
We are
Yeah,
all missing him.
yeah.
Huh?
All of you who are very, very close to him, it's like with us, my family, I mean, me and Bharat, our very, very close friend who was in India, and he was like my husband's college friend, but we kept the friendship so much. Every time we went to Delhi, he always was there at the, first day. या तो वो एयरपोर्ट पे आएगा या होटल में फर्स्ट डे डेफिनेट लास्ट डे and he passed away due to COVID. He was same age as my.
Yeah.
In fact, he passed away early part. Even after that, I have not gone to India. But I was telling my husband, going to India, I just cannot imagine now. It's going to be a huge adjustment. Somebody who has been there for you, and many times when if I needed something, he would take me. You know. So he was just like a very, very close. I can understand exactly how all of you are very close to him. I attended that his celebration of life, and I learned a lot about him. And
Right.
it was amazing that how many people's lives he touched, and I came to know about his life more, and I really appreciated it.
We started the class from his place.
Yeah, I mean, we
I
at the,
met you guys at his place.
because Neam
First time.
is a kind of person who always offers everything. Hey, come to my place, and this and that.
And he pushed me in joining.
Right, right. I remember those days when
I was
when
reluctant.
But
because we
he
were.
didn't join himself.
Huh?
He didn't join
Because I
himself.
think not
No, he made me join.
the thing is, Shireen, not everybody has to join because that was maybe he just felt and he was right. See how Joe has become integral part of it. I think he had the insight that Joe will connect to this because I think the Sneha's place is a smaller, so he could hear probably whatever we were talking about, even though he was sitting
Oh,
inside the
yes.
room.
No, but Satyan was actually very well read. When he was growing
Oh,
up,
there
he
it's
didn't go
Sneha,
to
you're there,
school.
huh?
Yeah, he didn't go to school. He was home taught and he learned Mahabharata and Ramayana. As he must have read it even 18 times. So he had so much knowledge. So he didn't want to come to the class because he already knew everything.
See, I used to talk to him a lot about all his Garud Puran and everything. So
Yeah, so he
knew
was very
everything.
well read. Yes, yes, yeah.
So,
And not everybody connects to every kind of satsang. But he had the insight that hey, Joe is going to connect to this, and he was so right.
but main thing is, it's not knowing, but what we discuss is not known. In other words, I've learned this a lot here in this. It's not just by reading, but by discussing. Everybody has different experience and
Right,
then they
right.
bring it. It's like the MBA class, in that everybody brings their own and they have class discussions, and that's how they learn.
Don't they say if you know it, then you don't know it?
Yeah, exactly.
That's one of the things. But I think my point is that people connect to different things, and they might, whatever is right for them. If they have that desire, God will connect them to
But
that.
he was very knowledgeable, and he knew practically on any subject we could talk to him.
Right, right.
In
That's what
Shraddha-
I gathered. Yes.
in his Shraddhanjali, I wrote 4 lines I would like to read
Sure,
for,
Kamalaji, please.
for Satyan ji.
Sure.
तेरे चेहरे की गरिमा को तेरे चेहरे की गरिमा को कभी ना भूल पाएंगे तेरे चेहरे की गरिमा को कभी ना भूल पाएंगे जहां जिंदा दिली पनपे वहीं तुमको भी पाएंगे. He was very, very
Right.
that kind of person who lived life always happy, full of energy.
Right.
तेरे चेहरे की गरिमा को कभी ना भूल पाएंगे जहां जिंदा दिली पनपे वहीं तुमको भी पाएंगे. न होंगे रूबरू तुमसे न साकी साथ अब होगा न होंगे रूबरू तुमसे न साकी साथ अब होगा मगर यादों की दुनिया में समय तुम संग बिताएंगे मगर यादों की दुनिया में समय तुम संग बिताएंगे.
Very nice.
Beautiful,
Very
Kamalaji. Very, very nice.
बहुत ही
And
बढ़िया.
also, I wanted to say that Sneha, one of your, I think it was your son's daughter who said that poem, When Great Trees Fall. It was so appropriate, that poem, and I had, kind of not heard it like that in that context, and I liked it so much. I told my son to look for that poem, and I read it again, and all of you read it. That she recited that poem, and it is by, I don't know the author, but it was very beautiful sentiments. It helps us, to deal with that.
I know is I came to this place first time I met him when I just came here, and then I found out that in 1974 I had bought a stereo system from Radio Shack, and he had exactly the same system, and we we used to talk about parts of that system. I mean, it has become obsolete, but we were using it because his taste and love for music was so good. I mean, I can tell because I used to make CD for him, Begum, Musarraf Begum, and everything. But he liked Munni Begum. So,
Right. I heard that in that.
yeah,
I think it was Meeraji who said that about
yeah,
Munni
she
Begum.
sang a song
Yes.
for him.
Yeah, she said that. He said, "Oh, you don't know about Munni Begum, you got to learn." And then she said, because of him, she learned about the Munni Begum song
But Kamlaji really summarized it so well.
beautifully.
There's
Very,
Zinda Dili and all is everything there.
yeah.
He was very, very nice human being. Very nice.
वैसे मतलब he was funny also, and he was like he used to cut jokes all the time.
Very
And a
lively.
lot of these
Yes.
jokes we can't talk about, but anyway,
We always miss him.
I didn't want
Yes.
to make the mood somber. You can
No. This is okay, because in this class, I think, to me, talking about that it's not, we don't have to get depressed about it, but that's why I like the title also they give, Celebration of Life. That's what it is, because in that our, whatever we have learned, life and death is, we look at it as death as something negative, though the Gyani doesn't look at it like that.
right.
It is just two different points.
Yeah. We all are coming.
In fact, the next verse in this is going to be absolutely amazing, the Kathopanishad, the last one.
Right.
When the Bhagwan, Dharmaraj calls the death as like a side dish. Chutney, pickle. And one of the example is like, pickle के बिना खाने में मजा नहीं आता ना, थोड़ी चटनी हो थोड़ा है, तो if it's only life, it's not, you can't do it. It's like you have to look at it that way. Then your perspective changes. And I think that it was Steve Jobs who said that, when he got terminally ill and all that, he said that the death is one destination we all share. How profound he said it. In his own experience, he said it, because he knew that was coming. There's a destination all of us share. It's like, somebody's gone, somebody's going, and we don't know when. It can happen tomorrow, or it can happen in 10 years or whatever. I think if you talk about it, then we should just talk in a more spiritual context, and it gives us more peace, I think. We look at it positively.
Introduced the Gita also to the children, made everybody read it. So even the grandkids, they were on Zoom. So I think that was a very good experience, and they all felt very peaceful, and they were looking forward actually to the 7 o'clock meeting to read the Gita.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
And Uma actually really summed it up all for all of us, so that was really good. Thank you, Uma, for that.
No problem. I really that is my forte anyway. Talking to children about Bhagavad Gita, and that day there were so many children of different ages and all that, and I couldn't see them, Sneha, because obviously I think I have not met everybody in your family. I had the only person I remember was when you first invited me to your son's house.
Yeah.
So I met your daughter-in-law, and since then your grandchildren have grown up from there. But what I was amazed at, they all sat through. You know, none of them moved, and then Sneha said, yeah, they liked it. So I said, probably that, Satyan must have sowed that seed in them too.
No, but everybody wants peace and everybody wants happiness, and I think Gita gives that.
Yes, true. Yes. Yeah. She's talking about one session I did with her entire family, and Sneha told me to talk in more like the way I would talk to the children about Bhagavad Gita. So I did a 1 hour thing with the entire family, one of the evenings.
No, because we used to attend this Gita Goshti at his in-laws' house. I mean, in-laws you call Samdhi's house. And the Rishi, and they used to recite Gita quite a bit.
I think your Samdhan is very much into it, right? Once or twice she
Yeah.
came even to the class, and you told me. Yeah, she's
Right.
has that. Yes.
They both are very into it.
Yeah. Or anybody has any point to discuss? Any comment?
I have to leave. I'll give to Vishnu.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no problem. If not, we can close it if everybody is so quiet today. But it's the subject is getting more. We're getting more insight into it.
Right.
And the verse that is coming, the next one of last verse of the Valli 2, even Tejomayananji said, just to warn people when he was doing the satsang, he said, that verse is pretty strange. Because if you look at it, just the word meaning, you need a guru to explain to you. But once he, like Shankaracharyaji's commentary, and then Tejomayananji explained, Chinmayananji explained, and then you realize what they're saying, But it is going to give us a lot of peace, So I think that will be good. Okay, so
All right.
everybody stay
Okay,
safe
Hari
and
Om.
Hari Om, and we
See
will
you
see you.
next week.
Yes.
Hari Om.